Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. In your previous class, you learned the earth lesson. In our earth lesson, terms topics are over. Let's see next topic. What is our next topic? A revolution. Children, so whatever I am reading in the test book, look at your test book and put your finger. Okay, let's see your books. The movement of the earth around the sun, it is called, in its orbit is called a revolution. What is that? The movement of the earth. For example, this is sun and this is the earth. This movement of the earth, this revolve to the one orbit. This is the earth. Yes. Here the movement of the earth revolve to the sun in one rotation. This complete orbit, this totally complete orbit is called the revolution. This complete orbit is called as a revolution. Okay, children. Now this movement of the earth is also from west to east. Where it is west to east. Now the period of revolution is 1 year or 365 1/4 days. How much taking this period of time? How much taking this total period of time? This total rewind. The earth around to the sun, this total orbit completed. Its earth taken how many minutes? Sorry, how many hours or how many years? 1 year. It's take 1 year or 365 into 1/4 days. How many days? 365 into 1/4 days or 1 year. It's taking 1 year. This total orbit completed taking Earth 1 year. The orbit of the Earth around the sun is elliptical and not circular. Now next, how are the days and nights are formed? This is, don't write in your class work, just listen. How are the days and nights are formed? In our day, how many hours? In our day, 24 hours. In 24 hours, 12 hours is a day and 12 hours is a night. Yes? Okay, children, in 24 hours, 12 hours is day and 12 hours is night time. Yes, daytime and night time. How to form this daytime and night time? How it form night time and daytime? We have day and nights on the earth because of the earth's rotation on its axis. Axis is an imaginary line passing through north and south poles of the earth. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. Now, here the earth around to the sun. Yes, children, the earth around to the sun, only one round complete. For example, here one round complete, the earth takes 24 hours. This total orbit complete, earth has take 1 year. Only one orbit complete. Only one round complete, earth has take 24 hours. Yes? The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. One rotation is complete, earth has taken 24 hours. In our 24 hours of this in the sky during different times of the day, we see that the sun is moving from one direction to the other. It rises in the east in the morning. Now and sets in the west. In reality, the sun is not moving. Is that our earth that is rotating around the sun. Now here looking, sun is around to the earth, but that is not correct. You looking that one, but what is the reality? The earth around to the sun. The earth around to the sun. Yes. Now for example, look this picture. Here sun is there, earth rotating like this, earth around to the sun. Is here the sun rays is one side of the earth. This is one side of the earth. The sunlights are raising here. This is daytime. This side is night time. You look here. This is the daytime because here sun rays is touching the earth. So this is the daytime. In other side earth, sun rays are not reaching. So this is called night time. Okay. Now next one, atmosphere. The next topic is what? Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Next one, the atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by blanket of air called the atmosphere. Look your surroundings, children. Look at your surroundings. It's blank, but it's covered with water. Your not water, air. The earth is surrounded by a blanket. Look at your surroundings. In your surroundings, totally covered with air. This air is called as atmosphere. Look your surroundings. This total on earth covered with air. Without air, you can't live. Yes? So this blanket air is called as the atmosphere. Now, the atmosphere is made up of various gases that act as a protective shield for the earth and allow life to exit. Without it, we would be burned by the intense heat of the sun during the day of frozen, the very low temperature at night. Okay, this is about atmosphere. In our surroundings, the blanket of air is called as atmosphere. Now next one is what? The sky. Why is the sky blue? Next one is our what? Next topic, the sky. Why is the sky blue? The blue color of the sky is due to ray light scattering. Ray light scattering. Okay, ray light scattering. As light moves through the atmosphere, most of the longer wavelengths passes straight through little of the red, orange and yellow light is effective by the air. However, how much the shorter wavelength light absorbed by gas molecules, the absorbed blue light in the radiated in different directions. It gets scattered all around the sky. Whichever direction you look, some of this scattered blue light reaches. In our surrounding, little of red, orange and yellow affected by the air, but it gets scattered all around the sky, whichever direction and look like a blue color. So the sky is, that's why blue. Now next, since you see blue light from everywhere overhead, the sky looks blue. Like here, white light directly from the sun, a blue sky from the scattered light. Like here, look at your books. Here, white light directly from the sun, but blue sky from the scattered light. Now next here, blue light removed by addition scattering. Okay. Now next, as look you are closer to the horizon, the sky appears much polar in color. To reach you, the scattered blue light must passes through more air. So blue light must passes through in a hair more. Is passes more means, for example, more is processing more in the hair. Red light processing some, but blue light is processing more in the hair. Some of it gets scattered away again in other directions. Less blue light reaches your eyes. The color of the sky near the horizon appears paler or white. Now, this is about the sky. Now, complete our lesson about the earth. Still any doubt in this lesson, please ask me. I will give word words and question answers the next class. Okay children, bye. Have a nice day. Take care.